This approach allows Nigerians, irrespective of their differences, to take a united stand on issues that affect the collective well-being of all citizens. One Nigeria as members across political parties, religions of this country. Our membership comprises Nigerians that voted President Muhammadu Buhari and those that voted against him. But in the style of one Nigeria, we acknowledge the elections are over, but the challenges of this country we face, that Nigeria as a nation remains. It is in time to begin to explore and see the system can be tinkered to make it work for Nigeria. This brought us to the realization that security remains the biggest issues for Nigeria at this point of this history. This combined threat from Boko Haram, killer militia, kidnapper, and other forms of extremism present challenges that must be addressed for various sectors of economy to make this better progress. We will not dwell on the technicality of how security breach has stimulated investment in Nigeria, but to suffice so that as we are today as a nation, every other things will fall into place, that the moment we are able to get a stronger grip on our country, Nigeria. Esteemed patriots, none of us is a stranger to the security challenges and breaches that threaten the harmonious relation, peace, security of Nigeria as a nation. Anyone that claims to be unaware of such will merely be playing to the gallery of politics in this country. For instance, the moment we are able to get rid of Boko Haram, terrorists and murderous killer and kidnapper, more will be able to return to their farm, while their output will create opportunity for small and medium scale production that could aid Nigeria towards a more favorable balance of trade and investment. Lesser resources will be expended on treating victims of attack, which means health sector will have additional funds to treat illness. The list of possibility goes on. What is clear, however, it is too many citizens do not have a grip of dynamic that at play to make the security problem in Nigeria appear intractable. This lack of understanding of what is currently going on in the country, in part, explains the preponderance of simplistic assessment of the nation. It is not surprising, for instance, to see reaction that question the military and security agency are doing about terrorism, kidnapping, banditry, without questioning how much support they have gotten by the way of citizens assisting with timely information, equipment, and logistic support. This is also indifference towards the role of external factors like the role of other nations, climate change, and global economic inequality, among others. An immediate consequence of this inadequate understanding of this variable is evident in the quality of discussion around issues, the equipment for the military, procurement and budgetary provision. Capital project for the Ministry of Defense in 2009 is an estimated 158.11 billion. This look large until we realize that there is a country. It is a patri 440 million US dollars. Like in other parts of the nation, like in Pakistan, the budget of Pakistan for the Ministry of Defense is 11.9 billion US dollars. So how much is 440 million US dollars that is meant for over 200 million Nigerians? So how many people are in Pakistan? So until the government realizes that there is a need to fund our security apparatus, the military should be funded, the police should be more, there should be more funding, so that they will be able to end terrorism in this country. They will be able to end Boko Haram. They will be able to end kidnappers, so that they will be able to purchase an international standard drone to know the happenings between the north and cranny of this country. We are members across the institution, which give us the advantage of having whistleblower in the establishment that's stakeholder in this matter. Anyone, office, department or institution identified frustrating the improved timely funding of the military and police in this regard will become target of the sit out that One Voice Nigeria will be holding from time to time to ensure that the voice canvas get adequate attention. We therefore allow you to follow us on social media, which will be provided by this platform. This is our new approach for fighting insecurity, and urge Nigeria and international community to join us on this project. Nothing is too much to spend on the security of nation. Nothing is too much, because security is the key priority of this country, so that an ordinary person can move on the streets of Nigeria without thinking that he will be attacked or kidnapped by security, will be kidnapped by kidnappers. So we believe that there should be urgent funding. Thank you very much.